Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I am a little behind on some sticker videos, so here we go. We've been working on a new software, and I think we're slowly figuring it out. But this is the first one we got going on here. Y'all need to go check out this channel. This is Jack of all trades, Eep Jen. Y'all go check her channel out. She's slowly growing, building up content, getting her station and all set back up and going. But gonna be awesome stuff to come. Love the paracord working on and the wood burning and everything. It's pretty cool. But y'all go check out her channel. I'm fixing to switch cameras and get it up on the board back here. But let's see. Oh, let me switch cameras and y'all can watch me struggle with sticker tape. And there we go. Look at all them awesome channels in there, y'all. I'll have a link to everybody's channel up there in my description. There's just beginning to be so many, it's hard to run through them and list them all out. But I will run through and list them all down in my description with their links. So check out my description and go check these channels out. They're pretty good. And this is another awesome one to add to the board. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna make sure we don't got no dust sticking up there, because dust gets on there and it just everything sticks. But let's see if we can do this without having to pause the video. Ooh. Okay. Alright, let's try it this way. I struggle with separating these papers sometimes. I started to see it separating, but then it wanted to, there we go. It wanted to stick back together on me. Had to use some help. Alright, let's see if I can put this up here without knocking the camera over. The camera recording this is on the tripod, so I'm probably fixing to bump it. Make sure we don't have bubbles in there. Awesome. Alright, everybody go check Jen's channel out. Jack of all trades. Awesome stuff. I got another little one we're gonna put up somewhere. Here we go. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Alright, y'all have an awesome day. Thank you so much. And remember, go check out my description. Check everybody's channel out. I'll also have a link to Jen's channel in the description, Jack of all trades. And remember, stay awesome, stay laid back. Goodness. And remember, it's my job to be grumpy. Alright, y'all have a great day.